winter, countless homeowners wake up to find a leak in their roof, which has led to water damage inside. These harsh winter months can wreak havoc on your roof, and that's why it's so important to take a few simple steps before the chill sets in to ensure you're not facing thousands of unnecessary dollars in home repairs. So here to talk about that with us and steps that we should be taking is Jordan Herr, who's the project manager at the exterior company. Thanks for joining us this morning. It's the good timing that you're in now. On Monday, I was up on my roof. I was clearing stuff out of the gutter. Is this the right time to do that? Please tell me I was doing the right thing.
Yeah. Always be careful when you're getting up there. This time of the year when everything's falling off the trees is really when a lot of the damage can set into your home. With things falling, laying on the roof, that's not good for it. So, things like leaves, sticks, branches, anything that's laying on the roof for a prolonged amount of time, you really don't want to leave up there.
So, what should I guess someone at home who's watching right now, what should they be doing between now and I guess before it starts to get really cold to make sure that their roof is safe?
Yeah, places you want to keep a lookout for around your gutters, chimney flashings, windows on the roof. Things that set in valleys, those are really bad for the roof as well. As it gets cold and ice starts to build up on the roof, anything that's on the roof is going to cause that ice to build up in those areas. Like I said, with gutters, if that's backing up into your faseboards, that can rot that out. That can rot your roof rafters out. Taking a look in your attic, just kind of keeping an eye on what's growing on the inside. If there's any mold, that can indicate that water's getting through, or it can also indicate that you don't have proper ventilation. So you're going to take the brunt of your force over the winter for your roof. So right now is really the best time to make sure your roof is set up to succeed through the winter.
How much should you be concerned about that tiny little pool of water that just kind of like ponds on your rooftop?
Very. Leaks don't start with an ocean. They start with little drips at a time, and they lead into bigger things. Normal maintenance, like checking around pipe jacks, checking around your chimney flashings, wall lines, normal flashings underneath siding, making sure there's no rusted nails, things like that. If a little bit of water's getting in over the winter, one big storm can lead to a ton of water getting in. So checking on little tiny things and preventing those can prevent to bigger issues down the road.
Here's the thing though. No one likes getting up on their roof and doing the dirty work. So what do you suggest to those people that basically what we're saying is you got to do it. Right. So what's the best way to go about doing it?
Yeah, if you are going to get onto your roof, just a couple things to suggest there is avoid getting right onto a gutter line. If you are getting on straight at a gutter line, make sure you have something to tie your ladder to the gutter. So if something would slip or if you would slip, that can catch you. I always recommend setting your ladder to get up into a valley. That way you can kind of get your feet on both slopes and climb if you're going to look around. Ultimately, you should leave it to people who are comfortable with it. At the exterior company, we offer a free roof inspection, really for anything. So if it's something that you're not comfortable with getting on your own roof, feel free to give us a call and we'll get up for you and do a full roof inspection.
Can any of this be covered by insurance?
Absolutely. So part of what I do, if somebody calls me and says, hey, I'd like you to come take a look at my roof, they can have small leaks, major leaks, they can have wind-blown shingles, they can have all sorts of things. I'll gladly come look at that, but I also encourage people to make sure that they don't have any storm damage, which would be hail damage or wind damage. That's not stuff you can see from the ground, and even if you are comfortable getting up onto your roof, a lot of the times homeowners they don't know what to look for as far as what the insurance would cover, where with what I do, everything I do is indicated towards what the insurance would cover. So I know what to look for. I know what spots can be hail or what could be wind, which obviously in the end can save you a lot of money if they would pay for the damages.
Jordan Herr from the exterior company, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We'll have everything on our website, fox43.com, and including information on going to the exterior company's Facebook page to take advantage of a free roof inspection. Jordan, thank you again.
Thank you.
We'll see you back here on Fox 43 Morning News after the break.